You know, one more bonus way that you can increase your income and make more money is by looking for opportunities to teach people what you know. As you've gone through life, typically people tend to shortcut themselves and they don't realize the wealth of knowledge they've gained through their experiences, through their hardships, through their struggles, through their triumphs, through their victories. And so as you've gone through life, you've gained this great wealth of information. And if you would just simply look for opportunities to teach people what you know, you can begin to increase your income because people will pay you for the knowledge that you have. And not only that, you're adding value to people, and so you're building community, you're building trust, and that creates many more opportunities for you to sell what it is that you're producing or what you have, or just create new businesses out of having a captivated audience. And so you always want to challenge yourself to find ways to teach what you know. There are so many people that are on lower levels than you, and you may have very low self-worth and self-confidence and think that you don't have anything to offer people. But you just need to realize what you've gone through in life and where it's brought you to and the amount of knowledge you've learned and gained from that. And there are so many people going through that same stuff or that haven't quite hit that level yet, need to be warned about it or whatever it is. Or you may have studied a great skill for a long time in your life and there are people that need to learn that skill. And so even if you don't consider yourself an expert, there are people underneath you that need to know what you know. And so you always should be looking for opportunities to teach people what you've learned, teach people what you know. And this will do one of two things. It will not only build it up in yourself, because as you teach, you learn, you solidify, and you really begin to understand what it is that you know. So that makes you more valuable, but then it also increases the value in society. As you teach other people, you raise the bottom line up, and so you're building better community, you're building a better environment, you're helping people, and all of a sudden you become an authority on something. Even if you're not an expert yet, you are an expert on what you do know. And so if you can take what you know and really communicate it effectively to people, not only will they pay you for that, but you'll create a captive audience that you can look for very many other business opportunities and ideas to grow within that audience. And so I just challenge you to take stock of what it is that you know, what you've learned, what you've gone through, what skills you have, and then always look for opportunities to teach that, because that will make you more valuable in the teaching, because you'll solidify it in yourself, you'll better understand it, you'll add value to people, and you'll also find many opportunities to make money through doing that. And that's what some of the top people do in this world. And if you look at them, you'll understand that that's all they're doing, is taking the knowledge they've gained and transferring it to other people and getting paid in the process. So I hope this helps you. I hope it helps you find ways that you can make more money, increase your income, increase the value that you add, build a better audience, build your own brand. And you know, it's all about just doing these little steps and identifying ways that you can add value, identifying ways that you are valuable, and increasing those. So I'm Makai Block with Limitless North. Thank you for watching. God bless you guys. If you like this video, if you got something good out of it, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, subscribe to the channel. And of course, share the video with anybody that may need it, and I will see you on the next one. Hi, I'm Makai Block. Welcome to Limitless North TV. I want you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. You might ask yourself, why should I? Every week, I'll be developing and delivering quality videos focused on helping you become a high-value, high-achieving entrepreneur, to earn more and increase your income, to build and grow your wealth, and to make insightful and impactful changes to the way that you live your life and run your businesses. You will be challenged. You will be inspired. I will motivate you to hit that next level in your life, to overcome your obstacles, and to quit struggling through your mediocrity. But most importantly, I'll be developing and delivering strategies and ideas, tips, tricks, habits, and tools that you can begin implementing in your life today to see the success and the change that you've been hoping for. So go ahead, hit that subscribe button, turn on the post notifications so you don't miss a single episode, and I will see you on the next one. I guarantee you, and I promise you, that you won't regret it. Welcome to Limitless North.